Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to give you guys a huge thank you so much for all the love and honestly all the comments that I've gotten via DM, via on here regarding the last video. I just want to thank you guys so much. I'm filming this maybe 2 weeks after I filmed it, and I am finally uploading another video, but I wanted to give you guys an update and thank you guys so much for being so sweet and so nice to me. I kind of changed my lighting setup, and I don't know if you can tell the difference. Let me know if you can, but she's looking cute, I think. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you guys a very highly requested makeup, and that is from you, and that is how I've been doing my everyday beat, eyeshadow, face routine, and how to get this final look. So I hope you guys are excited. It is honestly very easy in my opinion. Let's get into it. We're looking like a mess. I already have my eyebrows on, and I have a video coming on how I do them like this. And we're gonna get into the eyeshadow because everybody wants to know what this new look is, and I've been getting a lot of compliments on my skin, girl. Look at this, is natural. Natural, baby. This is not a filter. Put some concealer, not too much. I'm just buffing this concealer out with a blending brush. Have a ColourPop masterclass again tomorrow. Very excited. Third one that I will be joining. Okay, so I'm purposely just going into these two palettes because these have been what I've been using the most if I'm doing this look. This is the One Size, and this is the Baked Browns palette. Go in with a nice like blank shade to set over my brow bone area. And both palettes have a nice shade like so. And this is a Kylie Cosmetics brush. I only set so far at the brow bone area, and now I'm going to go in with a really big crease brush from the Makeup Shack. It's T12, and I'm going to go in with a mixture of taupe of my game, which is this taupey color from the Big Browns palette. Deserted. I usually like it to be very high and above, but I start off with it being very low so I can have movement to diffuse it into that brighter color. And I like to do I don't know what people call it, window wiper motions like this, or and then like little circly motions. I feel like you guys really don't like, in my head it's like you guys wouldn't want something so simple, but again, like not everybody is makeup obsessed and crazed as I am, so maybe you guys don't know the same tricks that I feel like everybody knows. And I'm gonna put some here towards the front so this can blend in with my nose contour. Now I'm gonna take one of my favorite shades ever made. It is this color called Soft Serve, and it's this beautiful color. And I don't know what Patrick did, but it's like literally one of my favorite colors ever. And it's so pigmented. And now I'm gonna really define my crease. And in this look, I'm not really cutting my crease, but if you guys want to have that kind of cut crease moment, then by all means go ahead and do it. To also apologize in advance if my lighting looks off. One of my lights ended up breaking while I was moving them, and so I ordered a new one, but this one is not as bright as the other one. So here I have my ring light. I'll go into this brownie color and mix it with this Booked color. I have this Baked Browns one. I would just mix this one with this one. I don't really want red. I would do these two. Depth on this outer corner here. And blend it into the crease area. And then slowly bring this up here and then bring it up. And then you don't really want to go more. I just feel like you should use your other brush with the lighter color and then blend out any edges. I'm gonna go back in with this little flat brush And I'm gonna go and make my lid more like a muted taupey color just to set the front lid, but I do want it to be brighter than what I put in the original crease. And like set all of this. And I'm patting this onto my lid because I know it'll diffuse. But this looks pretty nice, if I do say so myself. Okay, so now I'm going to take this brush again and I'm just going to go across the lid here and just kind of blend any harsh edges. And that's the eyeshadow. Super basic, super simple. Do eyeshadow liner if that's easier for you. I'm just going to use this brow pen as my liner because it's brown and I like the brown. After your wing liner, I'm going to go ahead and clean it up with some concealer. I got a lot of questions too on how to do this, and I know it sounds redundant, but it's honestly just you clean it up with concealer if you really want that like sharp edge. I try not to do that, but one time I did do it and I got a lot of compliments. To each its own, babes. To each its own. You wanna like lift and think like you're cleaning up after something. And then this will all blend together when we have the face makeup on. So yeah, I will go ahead and quickly apply lashes off camera. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pull it back. The lashes are on and we're gonna put on my face. I'm gonna start off with this Rare Beauty setting spray. I like it because it has like little essential oils and stuff in it, so my skin is gonna be really nice and moisturized. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Milk Hydro Grip. I'm almost out. And I love this because it literally clings your makeup onto your skin. Okay, so I like to mix my foundation because I just like, well, honestly, the shade is honestly a little too dark for me, so I'll be mixing it. So I mix it. This is the Anastasia foundation in 305, and it's a little tan, and it's not quite summer. Mix this, and I feel like this has been causing my skin to look so good lately. It's the Purelisse Perfect Glow BB Cream, and this one is in light medium. Yellow, it is light medium. It's a really glowy, dewy foundation. So before we go ahead and put that on, I'm gonna go ahead and color correct with Dragon Beauty. You guys know the deal. You don't really need a lot. I'm going to use the sponge. This is a new sponge that I got. It's from e.l.f. But I'm excited to try this out. Kathleen Light said that this was really good, so I'm excited to try. Like, to me, that like Purelisse stuff makes your skin look so like dewy and like pretty and glowy. Like, look at my skin. And not to say that the Anastasia foundation is like awful, but it doesn't give you this glow. Like, look at this. Something about this magical product that I have been obsessed with. It blurs my pores. It makes my skin look absolutely beautiful. Next up is cream contour. I'm using the Huda Beauty Tantour in medium. I'm going to use this foundation brush from Morphe. See? So after I go over it, I do like to blend it out. That's nice and set. So now I'm going to go ahead and use, for concealer, I'm going to use the Milani concealer in 115 Light Nude. And how I've been concealing lately is I've been just going here, doing something here. Not right underneath that liner, but like a little bit lower. Underneath that. On my little bit of the stash that I have. And a little bit here. And just like that. Trust me. I'm keeping this only in the center because I don't want it to go around. Okay, so I go in with the forehead, the chin area, and then lastly I go in under the eyes. So to set the under eyes, I'm gonna use my Dragon Beauty translucent powder, and I've been loving her lately. She just has this really nice formula, which I really like. I'm just gonna go right underneath the eye first. I'm gonna add my liquid blush, and this one is from Rare Beauty and in the color Joy, and I'm gonna use this to give me some color. So on the nose, and then on the cheekbones. And as you can see, she blends really nicely. Okay. Bake in these areas where I've highlighted. Here is the face. Ironically, I actually really like to contour my nose right before I brighten my under eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose with the Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. And I'm gonna go in with my Dragon Beauty, and I'm gonna use both shades, and I'm actually gonna use the same sponge, just lightly like circle around the product. We're gonna tap in. Okay, so I just want to brighten under my eyes, but I want to still bake the nose. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bronze, and this is the Essence bronzer palette, and I've been really liking these two shades to give me some life. With my complexion trio from Alamar Cosmetics. Thank you so much to Gabby for sending me this and blushes. Thank you so much. I go into the color Always Summer, mixing it with Soltera. And this formula is honestly super nice. It's super creamy and buttery, and I love it. And go ahead and brighten my under eyes, but also remove this powder that I don't need. So I'm gonna quickly set my skin with the same setting spray. You have, as you can see with this makeup, you can see the blush underneath, but I feel like I like extra blush, so I will add my own. This is the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette, and I'm gonna go in with these middle two shades, which are Twilight and Stargaze. I think it's so nice. And I feel like it just mixes everything together really nicely. Okay, so that's the skin. That is the skin for now. Go ahead and draw in the inner corners. Now that you have concealer, you can go ahead and put that under in the inner corner just to give you that like sultry vibes. I'm gonna take two of the shades that I used before in the eye. But I will do one here for you. I'm gonna go in with two lip liners. I had another one. I lost it. I don't want to talk about it. Lip liner from Dragon Beauty in 1cc. And basically what I do is I overdraw in the center and I go back to my normal lip line on the outer corners. This one is 3cc, so it's a lot darker. You can see a difference between just that one and then both. Cool. Okay, so for the lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead and use Dragon Beauty's Dragon Glass in Bad Bitch. Okay, and to seal this all in, I'm gonna use the Dragon Beauty Forever Fantasy Setting Spray. Okay guys, and this is the final makeup look. This is my everyday makeup. This is what I've been doing. This is how I've been doing it. This is the products that I'm using. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys answered anything that you guys have been wanting to know about my skin, about what products I'm using. She may like the filter for the eyes, but I don't need it for my skin, baby girl. My skin is nice. Basic, easy makeup for eyes, for the face. This is what I do. This is what it is. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good one. I hope to see you guys very, very soon in another video.